Hello everyone! For today's video, Cebu Safari and Adventure Park yung pinuntahan namin. Ito naman yung kanilang parking area. Ito naman yung itsura ng pinaka main entrance nila. Entrance fee ay 1,100 for weekdays and 1,300 for weekends and holidays. May view na pala dito kayo agad na makikita. Para sa mga discounted rates ay dito lang kayo bibili sa may mismong park. Ito pala yung itsura ng tram na sasakyan namin. Short briefing muna bago mag-start yung tour. Nag-start na umalis yung tram and start na rin ng tour. Ito yung unang-una nyong makikita dito. Malapit na kami dito sa may first stop. Ito yung unang area na inikot namin. Dito sa area na to ay makakakita kayo ng mga iba't ibang klaseng ibon. Kakaiba rin yung mga ibon na nakita namin dito. Ang dami nitong ganitong klase ng ibon at pwede kayong magpa-picture dito. May mga ibang activities na in-offer dito pero extra charge yan. Dito rin sa area na to ay meron silang restaurant at meron magandang view ng mountain dito. Meron kaming nakitang kangaroo dun sa may baba. Going to our next stop. Ito naman yung area ng White Lion. Ganito yung itsura na sasakyan nyo dito. Parang cage yung itsura niya for safety reason. Hihintuan nyo yung area kung saan nandun yung mga White Lion at may kasama rin kayo ditong tour guide na nagpapaliwanag about sa information ng mga White Lion. Mas active sila sa gabi kaya tulog sila sa umaga. Sakay na ulit ng tram for next destination. Dito sa area na to ay makakakita kayo ng dalawang klaseng camel. Makakakita rin kayo ng mga flamingos dito. Ang happy ko kasi sa TV ko lang sila nakikita. Marami pang mga birds itong susunod na pupuntahan namin. Ganito yung itsura ng entrance kapag mga birds yung pupuntahan nyo. Ang dami nitong ganitong klaseng ibon na nakita namin. Sobrang nakakaaliw silang tingnan kasi ang dami-dami talaga nila, and good thing na hindi mukhang cage yung itsura ng lugar. Malaya nyo silang mahahawakan at makakapag-picture sa kanila. Ang dami rin nitong ganitong klaseng ibon at nagagandahan ako dun sa kulay nila, kakaiba. Kakaibang klaseng ibon din to. Ang ganda rin nitong klaseng ibon na to at napakarami nila. Kapag papasok kayo dito sa area na to, ay magre-remind sila na pakitanggal yung mga malalaking yung jewelries at watch out din sa mga dumi ng ibon. Na-amaze din ako dito sa klase ng ibon na to. Pagkatapos ng birds area ay may mga koi fish naman kayong makikita. Meron ding mga koi na naka-aquarium. Ang dami-dami ng mga koi na makikita mo rito, kaya naman ang ganda-ganda rin nilang panoorin. Ito pa yung isang kakaibang hayop na makikita nyo rito. Ito naman yung African Savannah at isa to sa mga favorite ko na area dito. Meron kayong tram na sasakyan dito at may kasama kayo na tour guide na magpapaliwanag doon sa mga animals na makikita nyo. Ang nagustuhan ko dito sa May Cebu Safari ay malalaki yung area ng mga animals, kaya naman parang hindi silang mga naka-cage dito. Sa bawat klase ng animals dito ay papaliwanag isa-isa ng tour guide na kasama ninyo. Dahil nga may kasama kayong tour guide na nagpapaliwanag sa bawat klase ng animals, kaya naman very informative dito sa area na to. Marami pa kayong mga zebra na makikita rito, kaya tuwan-tuwa din yung mga bata na kasabay namin. Meron din kayong mabibilihan na ganito if ever man mauhaw or magutom kayo. Dito naman yung area ng mga crocodiles. Napakarami talagang crocodile kayong makikita at malalaki sila. Nakapunta na ako ng Baluarte, pero mas malalaki yung mga crocodile na makikita mo rito. After dun sa may crocodile area ay may madadaanan kayong ganitong tulay. Ito naman yung makikita nyo pagkatapos yung tumawid dun sa may tulay at itong path na to papunta dun sa may cheetah. Dito naman yung area ng cheetah. Meron glass wall dito kaya mas makikita nyo ng malapitan yung mga cheetah. Ito naman yung area na katabi ng cheetah. Medyo marami rin yung monkey na makikita nyo rito. Dito naman yung sa may cerebral area. Glass wall din yung meron dito. Ito yung bahay ng mga Llewellyn dito sa loob ng Cebu Safari. Katabi ng bahay ay etong giraffe area. Ang ganda ng itsura ng mga giraffe dito at medyo marami rin sila. Marami rin nagpapapicture dito sa side na to. Sa gilid nitong giraffe area ay yung daanan papunta doon sa may restaurant. Habang papunta dun sa may restaurant ay maaaliw ka nang tingnan yung mga giraffe dito. Ito naman yung restaurant area nila at dito kami nag-lunch. Masarap din yung pagkain nila dito at medyo marami rin kayong pagpipilian. Dito sa area ng restaurant ay makikita nyo yung meerkat. Ito naman yung sa may kabilang side ng restaurant. Iba't ibang klaseng ducks yung makikita nyo dito. Ang ganda rin ng pagkakagawa ng area na to kasi meron silang pond na pwede nilang languyan. Ang nagustuhan ko talaga dito sa Cebu Safari ay hindi naka-cage yung mga animals dito kaya naman hindi sila mukhang nakakulong lang. Habang naglalakad kami ay may nakita kaming egg dito. Ito naman yung area ng orangutan at malapit lang ito dun sa may restaurant. Meron ding glass wall area dito at mas makikita nyo sila dito ng malapitan. Katabi ng wall glass dun sa may orangutan ay makikita nyo tong restaurant na to. Ito naman yung area ng mga peacock. Katapat nung sa may area ng peacock ay etong donkey. Ito naman yung stadium kung saan ginaganap yung bird show. 1:45 pala yung start ng show.
Mr. Dustin. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So, what's everybody doing today? And shopping inside. Good job, buddy. Now, for the second one, he picks up the crumpled paper, open the bin, and drop it inside. Good bird. Now, for the last one, he picks up the plastic cup, open the bin, and drop it inside. Good job, buddy. Now, see, if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? Now we have a total of 6 blue and gold flying macaws named Harry, Hardy, Matt, Tony, Kyle, and Carl. Now macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. Meaning, if they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. Their main diet, it consists of fruits, palm fruits, nuts, seeds, leaves, flowers, and stems. Now this bird, it can grow up to 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 3 to 4 feet. It is a strong beak that can easily grab nuts and seeds with an impressive bite force of 500 to 700 psi. PSI means pounds per low jumbo. Macaws are very long tails with feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? That's 1, 2, last one. Good birds. As you can see, most of their colors are outside their bodies and less color under their wings. But Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say your wings? Again, say it again. Say wings. Alright, so we're all set and ready. Jumbo buddy, take a good look at the picture. Can you spell out the tiger word correctly? Now, for the first one. He picks up the letter T. Now for the second letter. He picks up the letter I. Now for the third one. He picks up the letter G. Now for the next letter. He picks up the letter E. Now for the last one, buddy. Last one. Alright, is it letter A or letter R? Take your time, buddy. He picks up the letter R. Now, tiger spells Tiger. Is it correct? Yes. Ding and dong. Now, sangvignors, they are monogamous type of bird, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when the partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another mating partner. They are also monomorphic, meaning both male and female share the same physical features. Thank you so much. Hold the tip of the money and extend your right arm like this. Okay, now ma'am, are you ready?
Ready.
Alright, now that's okay ma'am. Alright, now stand still and don't make extra movements. Now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our cute and fluffy centipede name, Sunny. Now Sunny loves money. Normally in the wild, they love to pick up things and build their nest. Now let's see what Sunny will do. So Sunny flies all the way to mom lady and he picks the 50 peso bill. Now bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 50, and we are known for their high pitch finish po. Now, Jack, can you come back to the other side? Find the third one and then the second one. And you made to the first one. Now, Mr. Charles, can we do it again? One more time. Now, circle yours, you can fly and maneuver quickly. Fly to the first one and the second one. And you made to the third one. Now, Jack, can you come back to Mr. Charles? Last one. Fly to the third one and the second one. And you made to the third one. So, round of applause or playful send to your name. Jack. Now, thank you so much. Say hi.
Hi!
Now, yellow-crowned Amazon parrots is one of the most commonly kept Amazon species due to its excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. These types of birds are great at mimicking everyday sounds like a rooster, a cat, a dog, a telephone ringing, or even a whistle.
Alright, now let's try a rooster first.
How about cat?
Now, this one is Rudy's favorite. Now, Rudy, can you bark? Now, next one is a telephone ringing. Alright. Now, last one is a whistle. Now, Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Donna?
Yes, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Alright, now let's do the warm-up. Now, for their first song. Oh, yeah. I love you more than I. Now, before we proceed to our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Nobody's. We have some celebrants here. What will you do next? Do it again, one more time.
Parot kasi yun yung nagsasalita. Diba?
Last one. Now, Philippine eagle owl, they are one of the largest owl species here in the Philippines. So as you can see, it has a large head and a bulging eyes that can spot a prey up to 2. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to our snatching prey of flight, our very good name, Shadow.
Oh, look!
Now, white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea.
Di ba napansin?
It is a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. The scientific name for this bird is Heliaetus leucocaster. Now, this bird, it can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of Stevie together with Marina, and this ratio together with Cap, our 4 white-bellied sea eagles. We also have here Indian peafowls and our scarlet ibis. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, my name is Asin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the walk.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.